In this video, I'm going to review Google Workspace and help you decide if it's worth the subscription. Google Workspace, formerly G Suite, is a powerful suite of productivity tools that includes Gmail, Google Drive, Docs, Sheets, Slides, Meet, and more, all designed for business use. The best part is the seamless integration between apps, which makes collaborating with your team super easy. You get custom email addresses for your domain, cloud storage, and advanced admin controls, which are essential for businesses. It's also highly secure, with built-in encryption and two-factor authentication. The pricing is competitive, but it might not be the best option if you only need basic features, as the free alternatives like Google Drive or Office Online could work just fine. For businesses that need a reliable, scalable productivity suite, Google Workspace is a solid choice. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.